Hello, this is the entry specialist. What I have for you guys today is the Lockwood padlock model number 356S63. It's got a 63mm shackle and the standard LW5 keyway. It is a 6-pinner. This is the key. It's got relatively good bittings, so let's see what it takes to get this open. I'll be using top of the keyway tension with the sparrows tron. 1, 2, 4, click out of 4, 5, 6, click out of 5, click out of 4, nothing on 1 or 2, click out of 5, counter rotation on 6, 5, 4. Okay, let's start. 6, 5. Okay, and it's open. Let's open this up again. I'll be using moderate tension, I would say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. And there you go. Let's get this open and see what's inside. Okay, actually, let's use this that I just recently 3D printed. Okay. Oops. Already made a mess out of this, but that's fine. Okay. Spool. Actually, let's put it up there. Spool, 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 and another spool. So 6 standard Lockwood spools. Oh, interesting. It's got some shorter springs. Okay, you can see. Let me try to zoom in on this. Okay, let's see what we have. Standard, 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 and another standard. And as you can see, you see these two anti-drill pins at the top. Let me position these right. Okay. So, 6 pins. They're all spools with slight variants of the springs. Not a bad lock. It retails I think about $60 to $65 from Bunnings. It's a really pretty lock. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you all next time.